Good afternoon guys. Today we are going to paint this particular grill from this silver color to black, and this is a minor modification, and a black grill enhances the bold look of a car. So for this we are going to remove this grill from this car body. You can do it without removing it, but removing it helps you to paint it better. The first job will be to clean this particular grill, so that in order to paint it, it should be absolutely free from debris and dust. Otherwise the paint will not stick to this particular body. And after cleaning it, I will mask up this area and then paint the grill. Shampoo water. After this I will apply a brush. Now I have cleaned it with running water after applying soap. Now I will dry this particular grill, so that if any traces of water remains, the paint will not stick to its body. So I will dry it up with compressed air. Now I will mask the unwanted area that I don't need to paint. So these areas I will mask. So I have masked this area, and now the grill is ready for painting. I will paint in an open area. Now with this particular black paint, I will paint this particular grill. This is a glossy black and it cost you around 200 rupees. Now let's go outside and paint it. Thoroughly shake the can before you use this, and you are ready to go. And first you will apply some light strokes. I will allow it to dry for some time. So the initial coat is over. I will wait for some time before applying a second coat. Now the final coat. So the paint process is over, and now I will fit it in the car and look how it looks. So finally the painting job is over, and you can see how it looks. And if you find the video useful, please do subscribe, and if you have any comments regarding this particular procedure, you are free to comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video, and do subscribe.